Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine. Today, in our today's class, we are going to learn something about shelter. So, you'll take out your EVS book, page number 89. All living things need shelter to protect themselves. We live as a family in our homes. The family members they rest and live together in the comfort of their homes. A home is a house occupied by a family, their love, laughter, and happiness that makes a house a home. Home, it is the best. They are the houses made of different materials. A good house protect us from extreme weather condition like from heat, cold, rain, etc. Houses, it can be big or small, but a good house have should be airy and should be well ventilated. We must keep our houses clean if we want to live a healthy life. Now, I'll tell you that how we can keep our houses neat and clean so that we will all stay healthy and strong. Number first, that garbage that should be thrown in the dustbin and those dustbins should be covered. Windows of a house should be covered with a wire mesh or netting. This helps in keeping the flies and mosquitoes away from the house. Then sunlight and fresh air. It should enter into our house so that we can breathe clean and fresh air. Wash basins and bathrooms that should be washed with a disinfectant that can kill the germs. Floors of the house should be swept and mopped regularly. We should keep our surroundings of our house also very neat and clean. When we will follow these things, when will we follow these steps, we will all be healthy and strong. Now, dear children, let's learn about the different types of houses. There are two types of houses, a kacha house and a paka house. Then we have special houses also like houseboats, igloos, stilt house, caravans and tents. Now let's learn about the first type of house, that is a kacha house. A house that is made of mud, straw, bamboos, that is called a kacha house. They are also known as huts and are usually found in villages. They are cheap and easy to build. These houses are not very strong. They cannot face the storms like heavy rains, earthquakes, strong winds, heavy it gets quick, it gets easily damaged and destroyed. Then comes Paka house. These houses are made from bricks, steel, cement and are very strong. That is why they are called Paka house. We all live in Paka house. They are usually found in towns and cities. The material used to make these houses it costs more. That is why they are more expensive than kacha house. We need more money to build up these houses. These houses are strong and these houses can resist the strong winds, heavy rains, and even some houses can resist earthquakes also. That is why they are also called permanent houses. We all live in Paka houses and they are permanent houses also. Now let's learn about special kinds of houses. The first is the houseboat. All of you must have seen a houseboat. They are usually found on water. It is a house on the boat. That is why it is called houseboat. You must have seen houseboat in Dun Lake or in any other river. Then comes igloos. Igloos, they are dome-shaped house which has a narrow opening. They are made from the blocks of ice. They are usually found in Greenland or in Arctic regions. Then comes stilt house. These houses are made on the poles. and they are usually made in the places where it rains a lot. So people over there, what they do, they build up their houses on the poles so that rainwater does not enter their houses, and they want to protect themselves from insects, from snakes, and from wild animals also. Then comes caravans. The caravans, it is the houses on wheels. They are also called mobile houses, and they can be easily moved from place to one place to another place. Then comes tents. These tents, they are made of canvas and can be put up easily, it can be folded easily, it can be carried out to any place easily, and it does not cost much money also. Many travelers, when we go for camping, for any other places, or for picnics, we carry these tents with us so that it's easy to put up, it's easy to carry, it's easy to get folded and carried out. Now these caravans, tents and houseboats, they are called temporary houses because they can be moved from one place to another place. That is why they are called temporary houses. They can be easily moved from one place to another place. While the permanent houses, they cannot be shifted from one place to another place. Like we all stay in a permanent house. That house we cannot, if we want to move from one place to another, we cannot shift our houses along with us. We cannot move our houses. That is why they are also called permanent houses. Permanent houses, they all include the bungalows, apartments, duplex houses, or the tall buildings. They are all called the permanent houses. So dear children, I hope you have understood about the different types of houses. They have mainly two types of houses, kacha house and the paka house. Kacha houses are usually found in the villages. They are not much strong, and these paka houses, they are found in towns and cities. Then apart from these kacha house and paka house, we have some special types of houses like houseboats, igloos, stilt house, caravans and tents. Thank you.